Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a follow-up on the update and Build a Boat for Treasure. It's a little bit different than the normal Build a Boat for Treasure I'm used to. Let me get the right team for a second. Wait, never mind. So, the main thing that's different is you can't get the screwdriver in the tech stage anymore. It's now $12,000 in the shop, which you could get it for free before. So, that's bad. So, I wish I could still get the screwdriver, but I'm just going to show you a few more things. One thing that's not that is still on old servers that were around not very long ago, but they were servers that existed when a secret was somewhere, but the secret's not somewhere anymore. So, in the first stage, there, under where this tech stage usually is, there is now there was a gnome for one day, but then it died, so. There are two new stages also. Like, if you go up, well, there are three new stages. There's the music stage, which is a big brown box. I'm gonna show you. It's one, the new stages are the most annoying things ever. So, I'm going to show you all of the secrets now. There's no new chest in the music stage, but there is one in one of the new stages. But all the chests look different now. They look like this. There's also the 17th one in a stage called the bowling stage, which is one of the new stages, which I'll show you. So, the music stage is probably the most annoying stage ever, because it has all these music notes that shoot out at you. So, the next one's the music stage. This is the music stage. It looks super weird, right? And it shoots music notes at me. And this is the bowling stage. If you knock over all of the bowling pins, then there's a reward. I'm just gonna try to do it. It's hard. I need to come back, and we'll destroy all of those, and you will get the new chest, which gives you only the chest and 25 neon blocks. But it's pretty cool because you have to knock over all the bowling pins. This is the one where you don't have to actually touch it. If you touch it, it doesn't give you the chest. So, kind of whatever. Hard, I guess. And after the bowling stage, there's still another stage. It's old stage that they brought back. It's called the, what is it called? It's called the, it's like the UFO stage with all the UFO bombs. If you've been playing for a while, you know what I'm talking about. So, I just destroyed all those bowling pins, and if I had not already gotten the chest, then I would have gotten more stuff. So, the UFO stage is this stage that's spawning. It looks weird, but there's no chest there. So, if I get my thing, I'm going to show you what the UFO stage looks like. There's not too much with this new update that I know about so far, but this is all of what I know so far. But after the UFO stage, there's one more thing I want to show you, and then that's the end of this really short video. There's also an out of bounds alert sometimes, so keep that in mind. Past the music stage, the really annoying music stage, past the bowling stage, and tornado. Now the UFO stage. The UFOs abduct you, and those are bombs. Like you see, you get hurt if you go into the UFO thing. One more thing I want to show you. Nothing else is too different, but as you can see, this looks a little bit different because there's a little bridge. It's kind of broken on the walls. I don't think there's anything in the waterfall, but there's this little bridge which kind of stops people doing glitches like me. And then, which is water. It has all of these different things. And also, if you tap on one of the chests or click on it with a mouse, then it opens, and there's chests, and there's gems inside. I'll show you, and it's the exact same thing with the chest at the end, because you open that and then jump in it, and then you get all your stuff. So if you get all the new chests, you tap on them, they open. They all have the same gems in them. That's all I wanted to show you for today. Just a quick follow-up on the new update. And bye-bye.